Hi, this is Mitch from Aquasyn. One of our core products is a sample bottle assembly, just like this one, which is used to recover steam and product samples from a tank or a bioreactor. What you will see next is a step-by-step instruction on how to steam sterilize the sample bottle and recover steam and product samples. Keep watching. If you have any questions or comments regarding the sample bottle or our process, please contact us at www.aquasyn.com. And remember, our standard diaphragm valves and diaphragms are available on Amazon if you're in a rush. Thank you very much.